Welcome to our video on the top 10 places to visit in Indonesia. With over 17,000 islands and a unique mix of cultures, Indonesia is a destination like no other. Join us as we explore some of the most breathtaking places this country has to offer. First up, we have Mount Bromo. Located in East Java, this active volcano offers a mesmerizing view of the sunrise over its crater. The surrounding area is also filled with scenic beauty that is sure to leave you in awe. Next, we have the Komodo National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the world's largest lizard, the Komodo dragon. The park also offers a diverse marine life and beautiful coral reefs that are perfect for diving. Moving on, we have the Borobudur Temple. This ancient temple, located in central Java, is one of the world's largest Buddhist temples and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its intricate carvings and stunning architecture are sure to leave you in awe. No visit to Indonesia is complete without a trip to Bali. This popular island destination offers a mix of cultural experiences, stunning beaches, and natural beauty. From surfing to sunbathing, Bali has something for everyone. Next up, we have Raja Ampat. This archipelago in West Papua is a diver's paradise, with some of the world's most diverse marine life. Its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters also make it a great spot for snorkeling and island hopping. Moving on, we have Tanah Toraja. This highland region in South Sulawesi is known for its unique funeral customs and traditional architecture. The area is also home to stunning landscapes and some of Indonesia's best coffee. Next, we have the Prambanan Temple. This Hindu temple complex, located in Yogyakarta, is one of Indonesia's most impressive ancient sites. Its towering temples and intricate carvings make it a must-visit for history buffs. Moving on, we have Lake Toba. This enormous lake, located in North Sumatra, is the largest volcanic lake in the world. Its stunning scenery and unique Batak culture make it a great destination for those seeking a peaceful retreat. Next, we have the Gili Islands. These three small islands, located off the coast of Lombok, offer a laid-back atmosphere and pristine beaches. With no motorized vehicles allowed, the islands are the perfect place to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Last but not least, we have the Orangutan Rehabilitation Center in Borneo. This conservation center is dedicated to rehabilitating and releasing orangutans back into the wild. Visitors can watch these incredible primates up close and learn about conservation efforts. And there you have it, our top 10 places to visit in Indonesia. With so many incredible destinations, Indonesia truly has something for everyone. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your own Indonesian adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Thank you for watching.